Looking for the perfect digital alarm clock to start your day right? Whether you need a simple bedside clock or a feature-packed smart alarm, choosing the right one can make mornings much easier. In 2025, digital alarm clocks come with customizable brightness, soothing wake-up sounds, wireless charging, and even smart assistant integration. Some models include large LED displays, dual alarms, and temperature sensors, making them perfect for any bedroom setup. In this video, we'll explore the top 6 best digital alarm clocks for your bedroom, helping you find the ideal option for your needs. Whether it's for deep sleepers, stylish decor, or modern convenience. Let's get started. Number 1. Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock for Bedroom. Upgrade your mornings with the Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock, a smart sleep solution designed to help you wake up feeling refreshed. Featuring a gradual sunrise simulation, this alarm gently eases you into the day with soft, natural light. It also functions as a sound machine, offering white noise, calming nature sounds, and guided sleep routines to help you unwind at night. The screen-free design encourages healthier sleep habits, while the customizable light settings create a relaxing ambiance. Perfect for deep sleepers and light-sensitive individuals, the Hatch Restore 3 is the ultimate bedside companion for better rest and energized mornings. Number 2. Mesqool Digital Projection Alarm Clocks for Bedrooms. Wake up on your terms with the Mesqool Digital Projection Alarm Clock. Featuring a large LED display and a 180-degree rotatable projector, this clock allows you to project the time onto your wall or ceiling for easy viewing. The 5-level dimmer ensures the display is just the right brightness for your bedroom, while the dual alarms are perfect for heavy sleepers, kids, or the elderly. It includes a USB charger for your devices, battery backup to keep time during power outages, and snooze functionality for a few extra minutes of sleep. Offering both 24-hour time formats and DST support, this clock is the ideal blend of convenience and reliability. Number 3. Buffbee Sound Machine and Alarm Clock for Bedrooms. Transform your sleep routine with the Buffbee Sound Machine and Alarm Clock 2-in-1. This versatile device combines a white noise machine with a digital alarm clock for the ultimate relaxation experience. Choose from 18 soothing sounds, including rain, ocean waves, and lullabies, to create a peaceful environment. The 7-night light options let you set the perfect ambiance for winding down, while the precise 30-level volume control ensures you find the ideal sound level for your room. The built-in sleep timer helps you drift off effortlessly, and the dual alarm function ensures you wake up on time. Perfect for deep sleepers or anyone seeking a calming sleep environment. Number 4. DreamSky Alarm Clocks for Bedrooms. Start your day with the DreamSky Alarm Clock, designed for convenience and ease. Featuring an auto-setting digital display, it automatically adjusts to your time zone with auto DST and includes date and day of the week for complete clarity. The built-in temperature display ensures you're always aware of your room's climate, while the USB port allows for easy device charging. With a dimmer function, you can adjust the brightness to your preference, making it ideal for bedrooms. Plus, the battery backup ensures your clock stays accurate even during power outages. Choose between 12 24-hour formats for ultimate flexibility in your sleep setup. Number 5. JALL Digital Large Alarm Clock for Bedrooms. Wake up in style with the JALL 10.5-inch Digital Large Alarm Clock. Featuring an 8-in-1 RGB color display, this clock brings vibrant lighting to your bedroom, desk, or living room. The large LED display shows the date, month, temperature, and time with clarity, making it perfect for any space. With auto DST and adjustable brightness, you'll always have the right settings, day or night. The modern decor design makes it a great fit for both youngsters and the elderly, while its versatility allows it to be placed on a desk or mounted on the wall. A perfect gift for anyone who loves both style and functionality. Number 6. Rohent White Noise Sound Machine Alarm Clock for Bedrooms. Create the perfect sleep environment with the Rohent White Noise Sound Machine. Featuring 25 soothing sounds, including white noise, nature sounds, and lullabies, this machine is designed to help you relax, focus, or drift into a deep sleep. The adjustable volume and timer function allow you to customize your experience, while the built-in nightlight adds a soft glow for a calming ambiance. Ideal for babies, kids, and adults, the Rohent Sound Machine is a great sleep aid that promotes better rest, perfect for those seeking relief from noise distractions or simply wanting to create a peaceful, focused environment for work or relaxation.